Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solution. Friends, this is the fifth part of this series Infosys ASP/DSP coding preparation, guys. If you have missed any part, guys, please go and check out our YouTube channel, or I will share all the parts link in the description. Don't worry about it. Okay, so let us start, guys. What question we have taken in today's video? I have taken a string based question in today's video, and guys, many of you are saying me on help for Infosys ASP/DSP. So guys, first of all, if you have a capability to clear exam, then only guys you just give, because guys, because interview will hard है ना. If you clear the exam any and how, guys, but you are unable to clear the interview. Okay, so I request everyone, just attempt this exam on your own side, guys. Don't take anyone help, because interview you need to give by your own side. For remaining things I have discussed in this video, I will share this link, video in the description, so let us discuss today's question without wasting time, guys. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe first. Okay, so let's see. So I have taken a question that is based on string. So question is basically given a string as find the length of the longest substring without repeating character, guys. Okay, so this question I have taken today's video. Let us discuss how to solve, and I will discuss very short code for this question, guys. Okay, and very I will explain as well. So let us see. For example, you have a given string. I hope you all know enough what we need to do. We need to just find the longest substring, okay, without repeating character. Okay, so let's see. For example, just an example, we have this given string, and okay, so just first substring we have ABC, okay, without repeating character. So first string we have ABC without repeating. Second we have a, guys, BCA without repeating. Okay, second we have a BCA, that is without repeating, guys. Third we have, guys, CAB. Third we have CAB. Okay, yes, guys. Then fourth we have, guys, fourth we have again this ABC. Okay, fifth we have no. We have only this words, that is we have only this substring in which the alphabets are not repeating, guys. Let me give you one more example. Just an imagine we have this, so only a single alphabet is there, that is we need to check, that is substring. Remaining, if we take BB, that is a repeating element, so we will not take this substring, guys. Clear? Let me give you one more example from my side, guys. Just imagine we have a string that is AB. Let's see, C और A ले लेते हैं, A और D C E F. ठीक है, so this is we have a one string, guys. Let's see how to check with for this, guys. So for example, this one, the first substring is, guys, ABC. Yes, the next we need to find the continuous substring. Okay, next we have a BCA. Next we have a BCA. Next we have a AD, ADC, ADE, ADCE, ADCEF. So finally we got ADCEF, which have a non-repeating elements. We have a single elements in the substring. So we need to return the length of the substring, guys. As you can see, maximum length, right? That is 3 and that is 1. And for this test case, we have a maximum 5 length. Clear, guys? I hope you got it the question, guys. Let us discuss the logic, what logic I will implement in this, and I hope you will got that logic whatever I am discussing in this video. For example, we have a string ABC. ठीक है, और वही ले लेते पुरानी वाली A और थे हमारे पास CDEF. ठीक है, so this is our string. Now, guys, according to my logic, what I will implement in this one, first of all, guys, just imagine है ना, I have a empty string, है ना, answer. We have a empty string, so I will check in this empty string the given alphabet. I just take a for loop for every character, guys. Okay, for every character I will execute, I will traverse the string. ठीक है, so first of all we have a. Just imagine first we got this a variable. Yes, so in this a variable, guys, as you can see, answer have not a, right? Answer have a, no, answer not have a, so I will put a in answer. For example, B is not in answer. Yes, I will put B. For example, C, I will put C because C is not there. Or for example, if the a is coming, guys, if this a is coming, है ना, and now, guys, we have already a stored in the answer string. So what I will do, guys, in that case, what I will do, and then according to whenever I am putting in the when I put the character in the answer, I will check the length as well. ठीक है, I will checking directly length as well. ठीक है, so when I got the repeating character, for example, we got a, right, and a is already there. So what I will do, I will check the index. I will check the index of the given alphabet, that is A. I will check the index of A in a answer string guys, in a answer string. ठीक है, हमने आंसर स्ट्रिंग में चेक कर लिया एंड वी गोट द इंडेक्स दैट इज 1. So what I will do, I will take a remaining string from the left to right guys. So well, I will got B and C and I will add current character. Current character is nothing but A. So I will add the current character, that is A guys, in the string. Again we will got A, right? So just try to understand with this example. For example, again we got A. Yes, so for this one guys, again we got the A at this index, right? So again the loop is executed and we have a index A, right? We find the index of A in a answer. So the index of A is nothing but this 0 1 2. We got the index of A is nothing but a 2. So what I will do, I will remove all the left character and I will take the right characters, right? So right character, there is no character and I will take a current character in a answer string. So updated answer string, we got current character only, that is A. Remaining, I will again execute the loop and I will check if, I will check again if that is I. Just imagine I is there, na? Just imagine C. C is in a string. No, C is not in answer, so I will put C. D is in answer. No, I will put D. E is in answer. No, I will put E. F is an answer. No, I will put F. So this is the final, and we will check the length of this as well simultaneously. Okay, so we'll got length, that is 5. Clear? Every time I will check the string length and find maximum length, है ना, in every step. I will discuss code that must be better for everyone, right? For better understanding. I hope the logic is clear to everyone. First of all, in the if condition, I will check if I not in what answer, and we will add answer equal to answer plus I, right? And in the else part guys, what we will do, we will follow this step, this index of A, right? We find the index of A in the answer and we will take a right string of this, in a right string of right part of answer and plus current character guys, we will got correct current character. Okay, and we will store this in a answer variable guys. That is a solution guys for this question, and now I have not used any recursion backtracking things. Okay, in this question I try to make this question very easy, right? So let us see how to make a code for this. I hope the logic part is clear to everyone. Before discussing the logic guys or code, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel guys, please subscribe. Don't forget to click bell icon button guys, and share this video with your friends as much possible, because tomorrow is your exam. So try to share this video and try to put this video on your status. Okay, or I will try to make one more question, in this series. So total we have 5 questions we have done, with this video, right? So if you have missed any of the question, go and check out this all the questions guys, I request everyone. Okay, so let us see, and if you want to help, just go and check out this video once, because I not prefer help for this exam. Okay, you will got a loss. Okay, if you have a capability to clear the exam, then I request everyone, please give exam, or guys, if you not know coding, if the question is hard, at least attempt, at least guys, everyone attempt the exam, but don't take anyone help, because guys, interview you need to give only, right? You need to give interview only, so in the interview you will regret. Okay, so go and give the exam by your own with very honestly. Okay guys, so let us discuss the code without wasting time. So how to make a code for this? The code is very simple, as I told in my previous videos, the question is, many times question is tough, but I am trying every time the question is very very short and very very easy and clearly understandable for understanding. Okay, so let's see. Just an imagine we have a string that is, let me take a b c, sorry, कुछ ले लेते जो हमने पहले लिया था, ए बी सी ए और एफ जी एच जे. अभी के लिए ये ले लेते हैं, हमारे पास 5 हो गए, 1 2 3 4 5. यस, ठीक है. आफ्टर डेट गाइस, आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ वन पी वेरिएबल और टेम्प वेरिएबल लेते हैं. एक टेम्प वेरिएबल लिया गाइस हम लोगों ने, डेट हैव अ 0, एंड वी आर टेकिंग वन आंसर वेरिएबल फॉर एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग. ठीक है, for answer variable, that is for empty string. Right now guys, I will execute, I will traverse the string. So for I in s, ठीक है, and in place of s you can take a string. ठीक है, और string str1 ले लेते हैं, string भी चलेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है, for string in s, or for character ले लेते that much we understand, or that much we better for understand, right? so for char character in s, जो भी s के अंदर कैरेक्टर होंगे गाइस, उसके लिए हम क्या करने वाले हैं, हम चेक करेंगे सबसे पहले if character, ठीक है, if character not in answer, then what we will do guys, then what we will do, we will, sorry यार है ना, actually हाँ, then what we will do, we will add answer equal plus or answer equal to answer plus character. In the else part I will do remaining code, but I will just write, I am writing right now pass, and let me show you what is the output right now. Okay, let's see the output. So first we got the unique elements in this one, yes or no guys? Yes, but guys our task is different. Our task is not to, just wait second, why it's not updating. Yes guys, now its output is visible, clear. So let us continue the video, and actually I think some issue is in my id, no problem with that. So let's see guys, है this question is clear, we got the uh, unique elements right now, okay, but our task is different, we need to find the continuous. So let me come to the else part. In the else part guys, what we need to do, I am just taking one answer that we have already taken the variable. So as I told na, we will do something like answer of friends from right part of that character, right? If the alphabet is repeating, we will take a right part of that character. Yes, so what we will do guys, I will do character, okay, I will find the index, okay, I will find the index in answer dot find is a function to find the index of the character, okay, so character है ना, and with plus one, yes, because we need to take a right part, until end, okay. And what I will do, I will add the current character to this guys, okay, clear guys. I will take a correct character. Now if I am running this code guys, let's see the output, a f g h j, we got the maximum character, yes. And now guys I will do one more thing, I am just taking a this temp na, so I am just take a one final variable, and in the final variable guys, what I will do, I will take final इक्वल टू मैक्सिमम ऑफ, ठीक है, मैक्सिमम ऑफ फाइनल कॉमा लेंथ ऑफ आंसर, ठीक है, आई एम राइटिंग, आई एम फाइंडिंग द लेंथ इन अ इफ कंडीशन ओनली, ठीक है. So we got the answer, that is 5. If you want you can do here as well, but no problem, I am doing here with current thing, ठीक है. If I change the value, just imagine a b, sorry, a b c, a b b a a, ठीक है. If I run this code guys, the correct output is 3. Why? Because abc is a continuous substring, this only, clear. If I change some more like h h t t something something h h something 1 1 something, if I run this code, we got the 4, clear. I hope the question is clear for this guys, HDSF, this is the 4th, okay, this also 4. Let us give one more character to z, okay. Let's see the answer is 5 or not. Yeah, the answer is 5 guys, done. Okay, so the question is clear to everyone, yes or no guys? Let me know in comment box. If you have any doubt, query, let me know in comment. I will try to resolve your query as soon as possible. One more thing guys, this code I have taken from LeetCode. Let me show you, because one of you like one of our subscribers said ki sir please show ki your code is passed or not. So let me show you guys, my code is already passed, as you can see here, success, and same I have just changed the variable names here, okay. The code is already passed. If you want you just check out guys, okay, no problem. But in the lead code, the lead code question name is guys, let me show you the name. The name is basically longest substring with repeating character, okay. Let me show you right here the name here, okay. So the question name is guys basically this one, okay. So this one is the correct question name, and guys this will I have take from lead code, so I'm just writing lead code, okay. Sorry, code, code, okay, lead code. One more thing guys, one more thing है ना, in your lead code platform, I think S is given. Let me check on the lead code. I think S is only given, right? So S is only given, guys. What you need to change in this code, guys? What you need to change in this code? Let me show you. In place of print, you need to return something. Return directly final. Okay. Now many of you have one doubt, sir, why you are not showing this live? Because guys, if I show the live, no one practice in a home. No one practice at home, right? You are just see the video and khatam. But if I not execute, then you have a हैव समथिंग लाइक चलो चल के देखते हैं कि सही कोड है या नहीं है। सो बाय दैट गाइज आपका क्या होता है, एक बार रिवीजन हो जाता है, ठीक है, इट विल हेल्प फॉर योर रिवीजन, ठीक है। सो इस वीडियो के लिए इतने फ्रेंड्स, विल मीट ऑन नेक्स्ट वीडियो। इफ यू हैव नॉट जॉइन टेलीग्राम प्लीज जॉइन टेलीग्राम। वन मोर थिंग, इफ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब आवर यूट्यूब चैनल स्टिल गाइज प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक बेल आइकन बटन, share this video, share this playlist, share this series with your friends as much possible, because guys I am giving you more efforts for your exam. So I request you everyone, so you also give some efforts or support our work guys as much possible, ठीक है। सो इस वीडियो के लिए इतने फ्रेंड्स, विल मीट ऑन नेक्स्ट वीडियो। सो टेक केयर, बाय बाय, एंड go and check out this video if you want to know why I will not help in that exam, ठीक है। सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो फ्रेंड्स, विल मीट ऑन नेक्स्ट वीडियो। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर देना, ठीक है। और आई विल ट्राई टू मेक वन मोर वीडियो इफ आई हैव टाइम, ओके, इफ आई एम फ्री आई विल मेक वन मोर वीडियो। और बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर टुमारो एग्जाम गाइज, ठीक है, अच्छे से एग्जाम करना, ओके। सो टेक केयर गाइज, बाय बाय, मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, ओके। और सीरीज मिस मत करना इसको, ठीक है।